This is grandma level dumplings.
Oh, really?
That's the highest level of food you can get, is grandma level.
The East Wind Snack Shop, the chef, it's all he does. Perfected the dumpling.
So this place is rice and gold. These are gonna be lobster, shrimp,
Oh,
dumplings.
so we're doing seafood.
Today, we're here in Brooklyn on the search for dumplings. Oh, what's good?
Yes.
Safe, Diggy.
Jarobi.
How you doing, brother? You good?
Now, I've never been here. All my friends in Brooklyn tell me that this is the spot to go to
word.
where you want to get dumplings every day, order in,
go.
dumplings on deck.
Let's do it. The Brooklyn way.
Okay. Hey, Chris.
Hey,
I'm
man.
Cipha. What's up, man? This is Jarobi.
Hey, Chris, how's it going,
Pleasure.
man? Say he's gonna show me good dumplings.
Well,
Let's see.
if you came for dumplings, I got dumplings for you.
What is a dumpling?
You know, it's meat encased in dough. We take the dumpling art form seriously. Making the dough every day, grind our own fillings.
Nothing frozen.
And you gotta do fresh to order.
In China, are dumplings like going to grab like a slice of pizza in New York?
Grab them any time of day. It's breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
Let's do it.
Let's get this drool fest on.
You want to see the master at work? This ain't nothing but a Chinese empanada, you know what I'm saying?
House-made dough, we form it every morning, you know, mixed with flour, water, a little salt, a little sugar. It gets worked a little bit, it brings out a little bit of the gluten, and we're gonna make the skin out of it.
Okay, chopping them up.
Take a piece of dough, you flatten it, and then you're gonna make a circle out of it.
Palm it. You gotta get it flat, kind of, but keep the middle kind of chunky.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe this was my calling.
A little bit of 28-day dry-aged beef and pat with Frito.
Did you do anything to that?
A little bit of shallots, a little bit of soy sauce, and scallions, and then we add it to the dry-aged beef.
What?
Pinch.
You know what? Maybe I'll just be the roller.
This is an induction burner, so you need a
Oil.
little oil to make things go.
What, these pot stickers you're making?
Yep, we kind of do them in reverse. We're gonna sear them first. You're not just cooking with heat, you're not just cooking with water, you're cooking with pressure as well.
I don't know anything about cooking. This is amazing. Hello.
And now I'm just recrusting the bottom a little bit,
Just
so
a
you get
little
that
bit.
little crunch on both
Seal
sides.
it up. Like, why do you use dry-aged beef?
Why not? It's a great product that has a distinct flavor, you know, steak lovers love.
Oh, yeah.
Now lunch is served.
Jarobi. Dry-aged beef dumplings.
Specially seasoned soy sauce. Come on now.
Oh, man.
Whoa, whoa. This is really good. That dry aged beef flavor comes through.
It's lingering. It's like a long-lasting taste.
Like when you're at a high-end steak restaurant and you get that bite, that's what that reminds me of.
I feel like a lot of times it's just meat filling.
And it still has the texture.
Not even taste, but I can feel the difference. See, I thought I knew what dumplings were. This is amazing. Hot, that's very hot, okay.
Balance of the soy sauce with the beef as well. Really, really, really something special.
There's something to that. I don't even think it needs sauce.
Every step you
Right.
take that special attention, and that's the difference.
And I'm not a food critic, but I can
You eat a lot
definitely
of beef,
taste.
though.
I eat a lot.
Okay.
I can understand how these taste so much better. Here's the problem. There's only 5 dumplings. What's up with this last one? My Brooklyn people don't lie. They were amazing. I'll definitely go back there.
Like the dry-aged meat, nobody even thought of putting that in a dumpling.
You know what else I like
I'm
about
saying?
that shop? Is because he doesn't worry about any other dishes. He's in there just dumpling it up.
You know me,
Fancy.
I'm doing seafood now. Surf and
Ah,
turf, baby.
turf and surf.
Turf and surf. Yeah, this is the place to tell me about.
Rice and gold.
Rice and gold, baby. Damn.
Gentlemen,
What's up, homie?
Welcome.
How you doing, Chef? You good?
very well.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice.
How are you?
We're on the Dumpling Hunt today.
Yeah.
You're at the right place. Rice and Gold, my newest place. Get back in the kitchen, show you guys how we do this.
All
So
right.
sit chill.
See you later.
All right. Bye. Bye. So we're here in the heart of traditional Chinatown.
Iconic, one of the first neighborhoods in New York City. What we wanted to stand out.
Right.
We have a squid ink hargao.
Black rappers. I mean, I'm a black rapper.
That's why, in honor of my favorite group of all time. Traditionally, you see these in dim sum places. You know, our take was just to add a little squid ink to make this black. And then it's just wheat starch and potato starch and hot water. Roll out a log.
So they're kind of rubbery.
Play-doh-ish.
Play-Doh.
We knock off a piece, and we just kind of press it down. Every skin is made by hand.
That's a cleaver.
Our dim sum chef here, she runs this dough, and it's specifically for making this dough. short one. You got time?
This is not easy, folks. Ooh.
Jarobi's first hargout dumpling.
Ow.
In this filling, we have leeks, shrimp, lobster, and a little bit of scallop. We wanted to really embrace seafood. You gotta show a little restraint. There you go, just that much.
What's all the seasonings that you have in here?
A little bit of garlic, a little bit of garlic oil, a little bit of soy, white pepper, and salt. We're trying to get at least 7 individual folds in there.
7 folds. I think I made mine too thin.
They're like,
They're not gonna blame you for that.
That's Jarobi's. We put 5 to an order. We fire them up in the steamer. We're just gonna steam this for about 4 minutes.
Oh, wow.
You do a sauce Americaine, traditional French lobster sauce.
Yes.
Then we just put a little bit of chili oil, and then we finish this with just some chives. And they're ready to serve.
Oh my goodness, this looks fantastic.
My man. Thank you.
Thank you, bro.
Finally.
Yeah.
Is this a soup?
Black squid ink dumplings.
Oh, that's not poisonous?
No. Okay, squid ink, so I guess it's kind of like tinted windows. Okay. Sauce is sauce Americaine.
That's American?
No, it's French. You know, it's fusion.
These are not pot stickers, though.
These are strictly steamed.
Ah. Should I go in?
Just go in. Little chives and chili oil also on.
Oh, chili oil.
Yes, on the sauce.
That makes it
A
Szechuan.
spicy.
Yeah, I'm learning, baby. Okay. That is
Kill me now.
completely different than what we had before.
Texture of the wrapper, light and springy.
Yeah, that's crazy. I never noticed the difference. You just eat dumplings, whatever. And now I'm like noticing all the different. The filling is still like chunky though.
When you bite into these things, you can still identify what they are. The chili oil with the sauce,
Right.
the chili oil gives it a little kick.
You know what? I didn't get it good. Let me try
Yeah,
it
you got-
again,
yeah.
just to make
Oh,
sure.
yeah.
See, I like using a plate.
So-
You like making a mess.
But this sauce right here, the way that the lobster's in the sauce,
Yeah.
ties this whole thing together.
Did you have a seafood allergy?
That was a pleasure seizure.
This here gives you like a real seafood density. I'm
Yeah.
just saying it's like such a great taste.
Last dumplings we had were delicious as well.
I'm saying it's hard to even call them the same thing. Taste-wise, they both taste amazing.
Yeah. Me and Cipha, we're gonna dip back into the kitchen, see if we can get some more to go. Oh my goodness, dude.
Okay, I didn't know there was a whole world.
Dumplings?
And the way that it was made, the different type of doughs, the different fillings. You know what I don't like about dumplings? The sharing. You know what, let's just get 2 orders.
The wrapper, I think that was the perfect vehicle for that filling.
I'm gonna try to make them at home. I got like some English muffins I could just wet. Just taste-wise, both amazing. Eastwind Snack Shop would be my favorite just because I think I like that crunchiness element to it.
And I have to say, rice and gold.
You're very chefy.
The sauce Americaine just put it over the top for me. I want to thank Cipha Sounds for coming out. I'm Chef Jarobi White signing off. And until next time, eat some good.
I have to get on a train to Brooklyn. I'm just gonna go grab a couple more.